Hello everybody, it's me RJ here again with another video for you guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get roofing tar or waterproof asphalt sealant off of your hands. It's all over my hands right here, and if you read on the side of the tube, it'll actually tell you exactly how to get it off. So the first thing we want to do is get some vegetable oil. Pour it all over your hands. Don't use soap. Don't use water. Just get the oil, rub it all over your hands. Okay, the next thing you want to do after you get your hands scrubbed really good with the oil is turn the water on warm and start rinsing the oil off before you use the soap. Now that you got the majority of it off, you can use the soap to get the rest of the oil off of your skin. And that, my friends, is the fastest, easiest way to get waterproof asphalt roofing sealant off of your hands. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out. See you in the next video.